Good morning, all the students of class 5th. Today I will tell you about cells to system, chapter 3 of science. Do you know about cell? Listen. As we see building, you know how building is constructed. Make different rooms and stories. It is normal example because you see daily the construction of a building. You understand that the building is constructed by joining the bricks. Like this, human body is also a building which perform the different system like digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system, etc. All these systems are made up of cells. Cells are the building blocks of all living things. The body is composed of 30 trillions of cells. They provide structure for the body, take in nutrients from the food, convert the nutrients into energy, and carry out specific functions. People are made up of many cells, so cells are considered the fundamental units of the life. The whole cell is covered by a membrane that controlling what enter and what is left out. The membrane gets oxygen and food into cells and leaves out waste materials. Listen about the different cells. Cells are in different shapes and size because they have different jobs to do. Listen the working of cells. Each cell works on its own. Cells work like an engine as engine provide energy and heat to a vehicle. Like this, the function of cell is to produce energy. Cells provide structure for the body, take in nutrients from food and convert those nutrients into energy and carry out specific functions. Cells have many parts, each with a different function. 1. Nucleus. 2. Cell membrane. Nucleus. Nucleus sending directions to the cell to grow, mature, divide, or die. Second, cell membrane. Nucleus is surrounded by a membrane called nuclear envelope which protects and separate the nucleus from the rest of the cell. Listen about the lifetime of cells. Cells do not always live as long as we. Many cells die during lifetime and are continuously replaced by new cells. Splitting in the body. As some cells die, others divided to make new ones to replace the dead cells. The cells in intestine and skin only live for a few days because they are always being rubbed off, but cells of brain are as old as our life and cannot be replaced in case they are damaged. Listen about tissues. The group of cells make up tissues, for example, muscle cells working together to form muscle tissues. Different body tissues work together to supply food, oxygen, and support to muscles tissues. Now, listen about organ. The organs are made up of different tissues like skin tissue, nerve tissues to carry out a particular function. The heart, lungs, kidneys, brain, and stomach, etc., are some internal organs. When many organs work together to perform a related functions, make the different organ system. The function of an organ system depends on related activity of its organs. When all the system work in the coordination with each other, then make our body healthy. The different main organ system in human body are skeleton system. It gives shape and size to the body and protect internal organs. Muscular system. Different parts of the body with the help of muscles and form muscular system. Digestive system. This system digests the food. Respiratory system. We breathe through the respiratory system. Breath is very vital to life. Nervous system. Brain, spinal cord, and nerves form nervous system. Circulatory system. It comprises heart, blood, and blood vessels. Heart pumps the blood to different parts of the body. Excretory system. This system cleans the body and throwing of waste like urine, reproductive system. This system helps to reproduce the young ones and maintain the life cycle. Thanks.